Next, we are going to start modeling the picture frame, and I've just done a quick search on Pinterest, modern picture frame, and I think this looks great. This is very simple and elegant. I'm going to save this image as a reference. Next would be to model this picture frame, and we do not have a dimension for this picture frame. We are just going to eyeball it. Click on the primitives box and create a simple box. I'm just going to input 50 by 50 and possibly 5 centimeter, and I just pressed F4 and I think I'm going to model this outer boundary of the picture frame first, and from now on I will be using the ribbon and using the tools from this from the ribbon menu. Click on the polygon tool and think I'm going to insert somewhat like 5 centimeter. Yeah, this looks close to, I'm seeing what I'm seeing in the reference, and it's hard for me to model and talk at the same time. I'm going to click on yes and do some extrusion, maybe minus point 0.2. I'm looking at this side, this shadow, minus point 0.5. Click on OK. Click on insert again. Four maybe. Remember, I'm looking at my reference. Clicking on OK and extrusion minus point 0.2, minus point 0.2, and click on OK. This is the polygon where our picture is going to be. And I am going to set the ID for this to 1, 2, and 3. This should be 1, and if I grow the selection and deselect from this, and this should be 2, and if I grow the selection again and deselect, if I could grow the selection from here, yeah, it should be set to 3. Get out of my sub object level and just put the chamfer modifier. Let me just chamfer amount should be 0.1 and segments should be set to 2. Remember, this was, yeah, it's looking great. And remember to rename your objects. Picture frame, and save this in the 3D assets folder and name this to picture frame If we look at our tasks, we have done the table model and we have done modeling the picture frame. Now we have to model the vase.